trying to link a debit card to PayPal, but getting an error can be frustrating. This is a common issue many users face. Fortunately, there are several simple ways to fix it. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Go to the wallet section where cards are managed. Tap the option to add a debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Sometimes the system may show an error message. Before trying again, check your internet connection. A weak connection can interrupt the process. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then return to the PayPal app. Try adding the card again. If the error continues, review the card details carefully. Make sure the card number is entered correctly. Also verify the expiration date. Check that the CVV code is correct. Next, confirm the name on the card. The name should match the name on your PayPal account. Billing address information is also important. Make sure the zip code and address are correct. Incorrect billing information can cause linking errors. Another possible issue is an inactive card. Check your banking app to see if the card is activated. Some new cards must be activated before online use. If everything looks correct, try another step. Remove any old or unused cards from your wallet. Too many linked cards can sometimes cause issues. After removing an old card, try again. You can also clear the app cache on your phone. Then reopen the PayPal app. Logging out and logging back in can also help. This refreshes your account connection. Now return to the wallet section again. Tap the option to link a card. Enter your debit card details once more. Double-check the information before submitting. Press the Confirm button to add the card. In many cases, the card will link successfully now. You should see a confirmation message. Your debit card is now connected to PayPal. You can start using it for payments. Try making a small test transaction. If the payment goes through, everything is working. And that's how you fix a PayPal error when linking a debit card.